War Day number 917. 917 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, August the 28th, 2024. We have here only 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 Stars Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, we have in today's newspaper no extra puzzles, no additional. So today only 3 puzzles. Alright, the second puzzle, number 9171. 9171. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. Well. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 4 ones. All right. We have here 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 4 6s. All right. The 7s, let me see the 7s, 2 7s, 2 8, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 1s and the 6s are a majority. Can I start with the 1 or the 6? Let me see. No, I cannot start with the 1. What's happening? How about the 6 then? Need a 6 here, need a 6 there, yes. Need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. How about How about the 1 then? Still cannot continue with the 1. Alright. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are there. 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 2, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes, and there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Need a 5 here, okay. How about 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. Leave a 2 here. Leave a 2 there. Five in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Oh wait, we have a pair. The 5 and 8. No, not a pair. Again, 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. In this big square, we need a 5. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay, cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between, the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, third row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, okay. Then, let me see. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3, 3. Then, well. How about the 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Here's 7 there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Let me think. 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. 7. Here's 7 there. Well. Well, we have a pair. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a pair again, the 2 and 3 in this column, the 2 and the 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left of the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So what are these missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 could be here, could be there. And we need an 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Okay. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 8 and the 6, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only place left for the 5, it should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 4 and the 9. 2 numbers left in this row, second row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left, but the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 4 or a 9, we have a 9 now in this big square, so this box should be a 4. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 7, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. In this column, first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So we have a pair here, 2 and a 3. That means the other 2 missing numbers in the last row. Other numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the... Oh wait, 8 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have, oh no, not 1 and 9. 1, 2, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. Only place left with 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left with 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this again a 2 stars. It's just 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. It will be. Until then, bye bye for now.